I'm here today to give you a daily update on Bloktopia. As you can see, this is obviously open, insane pumps to the upside from open, and from there, it's actually been behaving quite nicely. We're just seeing it nice, basically just trend up really quite nice, and we are seeing obviously higher lows being formed here, and not actually seeing the retracement to invalidate any of these higher lows, which is still bullish, right? It's still bullish, not looking too bad. Now we are seeing on the daily some moving averages basically get created here. I would say all-time highs coming through there. That's probably the next challenge point to be getting over in terms of this uptrend here. Maybe we have a bit of a pullback down to this 21 here, 21 moving average that we've got coming through here before continuation up. Overall, this trend line is not looking, this trend is not looking too bad at all. Yeah, we'd have actually we're also seeing, I would say this is quite a strong support point to be looking out for there. If we can bounce off that, it's going to be looking really quite good. As I was saying, target points to the upside there, probably around 17 cents yet again there, back down at 12 cents there after that big sell-off coming through there. Let's have a little look at that uptrend. We've got a parallel channel coming through there, so ideally the next target is going to be, as I was saying, at all-time high points coming through. Let's jump down to the shorter term time frame because there's not that much data coming through here. If we are going to see resistance actually play out, if we are going to see resistance actually play out from this 55 moving average coming through here, because we are currently below it, I would be looking for a candle close here. If we get a candle close below this, guys, we're probably going to actually take a leg down here, and probably, I would say, come down to this these high low sorts of levels here around 11 cents. That's definitely going to be a bounce point to be looking out for there. Overall, as I was saying there, guys, it is still bullish. Don't be too worried. There is good fundamentals behind this, and there's quite a lot of attraction into the NFT space at this point in time. So in terms of seeing the completion of this measure move to the lower side there, it's actually quite unlikely, considering invalidating any higher lows is pretty much out of the question at this point in time on the macro. Even on the micro here, it's really not too bad. But yeah, in terms of a price target there, if we do lose this 11 cents there, then there could be a short scenario down to this 200 EMA there, around 14%. But to be honest, after seeing gains, so let's go from that low to this high, it's 149% in the space of literally like like 13 days or something. So yeah, this is absolutely fine for us to be correcting like 14% or even literally like 30-40% there. That's absolutely fine for an asset like this to be doing that. And yeah, overall not too bad, but yeah, in terms of a short position down, that's what I would be looking for. And I know this is probably more of a hodler's dream coming through there. So yeah, I would probably be looking for this acting as an accumulation phase, not so much a short position coming through there. So yeah, definitely a few things to be looking out for there for Bloktopia. But overall, in terms of price targets there, let's have a little look, because obviously we've got this all-time high. Let's go on the candle bodies there. All-time high there. We've obviously also got this massive trend line to the upside here. Let's get rid of that measure move for now. And this is obviously forming a symmetrical triangle, guys. Symmetrical triangle at the top of an uptrend. Not the most attractive one in the world, but still a symmetrical triangle at the top of an uptrend at the end of the day. I mean, going on the most recent measure move to the upside here, in terms of a take profit for probably a spot trade for you guys there, I probably would be looking at around all-time highs, of course. That's going to be a point to be taking profit. And also, if you were going for that more greedy momentous move, I would probably be looking for something along the lines of this, guys. And it's not going to be small, guys. It's going to be big. It's going to be all-time highs getting actually smashed, reached, and bent over. You can see percentage gain up here. It's going to be around a 61% gain there, up to around 23 cents there. So yeah, not too bad in terms of price prediction. That's what I would be looking for there. And to be honest, the way that this has been behaving, macro insanely bullish there. I really wouldn't expect this to be coming down drastically fast or anything like that, because it's actually an altcoin with a massive amount of fundamentals behind it, and it is looking really good. Really good in terms of just charting in general, right? So yeah, definitely want to be watching here. Bloktopia.